Hi, welcome to H by H Craft Studio. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple earring. Let's get started. To make this lovely earring, as you see in this particular one, we need a few tools, a round nose plier and a cutter. We need a few materials. I have taken here a glass crystal bead which is 6 mm in a teardrop shape, a teal blue color. Then I have an acrylic flower bead which is in the size of 8 mm. I have ear wires, this kind. And then I have a kidney wire hook. I have bead caps, a floral one as well. Then I have some head pins. I have some copper base beads. All the materials I have taken here for the accessories, it's all in bronze color. Let's get started to making. To start with the earring, you need to first have your head pin. We'll put the floral bead inside. We will put the brass bead cap, this one. Then we put the floral brass bead cap. We put the glass crystal on. And then we put the copper bead. It will look like this. Once you have done this, you take your round nose plier, hold it right here. You hold a little firm and push everything down. Once you make it firm, you go right at the base of this bead and you give a 90-degree bend, as you see here. Then you take the measurement of your finger, take your cutter and give a nice neat cut. As you see in this, given a nice neat cut. Now, grab the edge of this and you give a nice little loop like. Then turn your round nose plier from here and do this. You get a nice little hoop. Here is when you need to be a little careful. When you bend, you won't be able to bend it fully. When you try to bend it fully, you get a U shaped. If you try to do half and half, you get a nice little bend. And you get a nice little loop. In the same way, let's do the other one. Here you go. Our floral base is ready. Now you take your ear wire, you just put it through and give a nice crunch. Your first pair of earring is ready. Now say that you want a little longer. You can use this ear wire. Put this inside and give a nice little crunch. You see the down portion of this? It's like a loop over here. Hold it here and by the base of this you give a nice little crunch and make this into a 90 degree. so that your earring is secure and it won't come out. Voila, you have the next one ready. So this is how you make your floral earring, a long one and a short one. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like to know more about such tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please do share your comments below.